Alright, now, it's time to add some attacking animation and attacking mechanics to our enemy, because right now, he's only chasing us and following us, and that's not really challenging. So we will add attack animation. We already have attack animation clip in the animator, but we don't have any parameter for it, and we also don't have any kind of transitions. So first of all, let's go in the parameters. Let's hit plus. And we will hit trigger this time. We will add trigger. And let's call this one attack just like these. Now I will take attack in the middle like here. And let's make transitions from the run to attack. So make transition and back from the attack to run. And I will select transition from Moran to attack. Well, we don't need exit time, but this time, I will make the transition duration to be 0.4. Because now, after playtesting, I noticed that 0.4 works fine. Okay, and well, also we should add conditions when. Let's think when too. When should our attack animation start? When we are running well. When the attack I will be triggered our parameter. And also when we will be in the range, so we will add second condition in range is true. Well, from the attack to run again, we will uncheck his exit time. And also we will add condition in range to be true. And only thing that is left is to add one transition from attack to idle. And this time, well, exit time will go. And this time as a condition, we will add inner age to be false. And that's pretty much it. How we can set up attacking animation into our project. Now let's open our Visual Studio and let's start working on it. Well, first of all, we will need to add few variables. Well, if you remember, we had the detecting range. And when our player gets closer, our enemies start chasing us. Well, we also will need one more range. But this time it will be attacking rage. So we'll create public float. And let's call this one attack rage. And by the well, let's make it by default to be free. For example, Also we will create 1 billion. And let's call this one is attacking. Just to check if we are attacking or not. And by default, we will set it to false. Because when our game starts, our enemy will not be attacking us. And not to have some mate attacking from our enemy. And to control the amount of attacks that we get, let's create public floats. Now let's call this one time between attacks. I will make it by default to be 0.5f. Okay, now let's scroll down in the update. And after our first statement, when the distance is less than detecting range, well, it means that also we are we can be in the attacking range. So after our in range is true after our bullying, we'll add one more if statement extra logic here. And here this time, we will check if distance is less or equal to attack rage, attacking range, or what we called, attack rage, and also we will add end sign, because we will need to have one more condition, because we also should use our boolean. He's attacking, so you remember end sign. This is the not here, obviously right here. Inside, this is the inside, and we should check if we are attacking or not. And if we are not attacking, so he's attacking and in front of my is attacking, I will say exclamation mark. I will put explanation mark. It means that is not attacking. So basically we are checking when we go in the detecting range. If we are close enough, also to be in the attacking range. And if we are but we are still not attacking right, we should start attacking. So we'll open and close cooling brackets right here. And well, we can use core routines here. And we will create core routine. So just for now, I will just comment it out. What we have also here, we have moved towards. Well, we will add else if statement right here. Else if any new brackets. We will say quotation mark is attacking. So if we are not attacking and if we are in the range, the detecting range well, it means that our enemy should start running towards our players. So I will place move towards here. Let's delay this move towards from here. And we have else statement. Well, this else statement will work fine. Now this might be a little bit confusing at first. But let's go through this code once again. We are checking first of all, if we are in detecting range. Well, if we are we want his range to become true, because we want to run towards our player. And we are also in the if statement, checking if the distance is also less than oracle attack range. And if it is, we should swell. We should start attacking. And we will create this quarantine here. And well, if we are not, we should chase our players. So move towards and well, we also already know what is this. Your statement. Just make sure to type everything correctly, because we have few brackets and the statements. And if you do something wrong, the script will not work. So just have a good look. Just this. First if statement opens here and closes right here. As you see, the second if statement opens here, closes here, else if opens clear closes here. And well, else is also here, okay. Well, now let's start working on the court. And let's scroll down all the way. And we will create a numerator, because to have quarantine, you already know we need to have a numerator. So I numerator. And let's call this one attack after delay. Well, I'm using quarantine because, as I said, we don't want to have some mid-attack from our enemy. We want to control it. So basically, first of all, our bullying of his attack. He's attacking should be true, because when we are in this state, our enemy should attack our player. Also, we should play our attacking animation. So for that, we can say anime.setTrigger. This time we will use setTrigger, because our parameter of the attack was trigger. This time and in brackets. And quotation marks will say name of the trigger. Type it correctly, mine is attack with a capital A. So attack just like this. After we will have some delay time. So yield return new wait for seconds. And as a delayed time, we created time between attacks. These float, so we will pass time between attacks. And after that is attacking will become false. And well, this function will run for over or nowhere again. And we will have some delayed time between attacks. And only thing is left to call this a numerator from here. So we will say he has talked quarantine. And the quarantine name is attack after delay. So attack after delay. Open and close brackets semicolon. And let's save the script. Let's go back in Unity, and let's check if everything is working. Let's select the enemy, we have everything. I increased detecting range to 8, because 5 wars are not enough. Well, we have attack range to be on free. Well, let's make it on 2, I think. And time between attack 0.5 will do. Now let's hit play and let's see. Okay, we are in detecting range. Let's see if the enemy, he is attacking, as you see when he gets closer. I think attack range of 2 is fine. We can have it on, let's try to 0.5. Oh, he's attacking like crazy. Yeah, because time between attacks we have on 0.5. Let's make it on 1. Yeah, I think one works a little bit better. Yeah, this is how you can easily create the detecting and attacking ranges, and set everything up for your monsters or enemies. And very basic enemy AI system. Of course, it's not enough. He's not damaging us, we are not damaging him just yet. But other than that, everything is working fine. I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next videos.